Today I'll be talking about 4-note groupings on the drum set, but in a context of a blues form. The 4-note grouping in this case is going to be in triplets, and it will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. When you have that kind of grouping, we indirectly are measuring out the half-note triplet. Okay, so one of my pinpoints practicing the drums and doing groupings is always to relate it to a groove or a tune or something like this. In this case, I'm gonna be singing with myself Equinox, the great John Coltrane tune, which you should check out before you do this exercise. So I'm gonna play one chorus of Equinox, then I'm gonna do 8 bars of this grouping of 4, and then there's a certain hit in there that you will hear that I will go for, and then I'm gonna do that for this exercise for 2 choruses, and then make a tag ending. Okay? 1, 2, and 1, 2. So that was one chorus up front just with the head, and then the grouping for 2 choruses aiming for the hit in the 9th bar. I did that twice, and then I made a tag ending. Great. Please ask questions, make comments, and I'll get back to you. Keep swinging.